me, one pair that I'm looking at currently, it's is this one. You see this one?
Okay. Yeah.
Euro USD, like essentially like I'm short now currently in this pair, but I'm about to exit my position, waiting for more selling positions again. Yeah, but
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So now the reason why I'm saying that we must sell these things because of this level right there. But somewhere here,
Sure.
now you can clearly see that this level is not broken, right?
Mm.
Level
Mm.
1.17705. So it held, right?
Yeah.
It shows how strong this level is, right?
Sure.
And another thing is when I do it like this, see this. Yeah, well, now it shows that okay, fine, we are moving on the downside. There's only space to move on the downside because the trend line has been broken. Now it's been see here, 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 and then there. Yeah, well,
Sure. Sure.
that we must move on the downside again and probably maybe come to this level right there. But now, before we move to the downside, we must still pull back again.
Okay.
Yeah, let's look at that. We must pull back again to interesting. Now, when I look at H4, clearly we have the most important level here, right? Level somewhere here. This is the strongest level because the market has been respecting this level, supporting resistance. Now, I expect the market to at least respect this level and perhaps give us something like a head and shoulder, and then you see, yeah, because we have one head here, and then this is the head, and then we expect another shoulder right there. But
so
that
you're having your TP largely support, and then you wait for a pullback.
yes. Currently, my take profit is some here. I'm waiting almost just few pips. I'm almost now, and then I'll exit. I'll exit and then wait for another opportunity. Of course, using Fibonacci. Some
ngiyamkhumbula bengibheke amavideo wakhe emini.
Yeah, so this is a demand level. Here's my supply level that I'm looking to go short somewhere here.
Okay.
You understand how we see this level? You understand how we see this level? Why am I saying this level is a supply zone?
Yeah. That's one thing I also wanted to ask you because I'm going to look at my video. How can you tell exactly which level? Because I know about the 61.8 or like the 38.2, but that one, if maybe you can explain why are you saying?
Okay, let me just show it to you. The reason why I'm saying this thing because I see that the market reacted in this level. Do you see that? I don't know if you can.
That's small rejection there.
You can see. Let's move to a small time frame. Let's remove this. Now you see clearly.
Okay.
So that's a reaction, right? So I expect now this level will guide me to either go long or go short. But my bias is still the same, still short. But however, I want to see how the market react when it gets here. You see? Now this was supposed to happen. Something like this is supposed to happen. The market will just get here, reverse, maybe perhaps close above here, right? And then as soon as it closes above, open again the bearish candle. If it does something like that, give me an engulfing pattern. Yeah, somewhere here. Then I can just say, I expect to go short. Of course, going short here won't be ideal. Rather wait for the market to come to this level.
Rather wait for it to come to which level?
Something like this. Wait for the market to get to this level. That's the first corner. And then wait for it to come back and break this level. And then you can sell me somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah. One.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one is clear. Like it's clear. Like you can see that this level here is the demand level, demand and supply. So this level here will tell us how do we trade this pair, right? But I expect a reaction in this pair, in this level here. Probably maybe a rejection candlestick, something like this, or an engulfing pattern. The market close as soon as it closes bullish, it opens bearish and then cover this candle right there. engulfing.
And then where will you put your stop loss?
Okay, that's a very important question. Stop loss, actually, for me, I like to put it like this because I understand that whenever the market breaks this level, right, it tells me one thing, that the bulls are done, right? But however, I must give my stop loss some room. You cannot just put a stop loss anywhere. So my stop loss will be somewhere, because I understand this level is important also. Okay, let me clear this. This level is also important here, right? So I'd rather put my stop loss maybe above this level right there, somewhere here. See here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's something like, let's see, something like how many pips? Let's say maybe I enter here, my stop loss. See, 770 something pips, 74 pips.
74 pips, yeah.
Yeah, with anticipation of going short, of course, to cover maybe this gap here. 400 pips.
No, the risk, it's proper if looking at where we're going to take the profit.
Yes, it's very, very proper. Yeah.
It's really proper.
So currently,
another thing,
yeah,
what I want to ask you is, okay, I see the support you have drawn, but then my question is, I don't know how this thing works exactly, because I know sometimes I can even point just that angazi ukuthi mina ngipointa kanjani la, because when you can't see anything from me, ne?
Yes, I can't see. I don't know. I've never really used this app to see from the other side. But however, we can do a video, or maybe you can send via WhatsApp. Yes, you can send via WhatsApp, and so that I can see what you. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, you have an app to draw via WhatsApp, so you can draw and then send it via WhatsApp so that we can discuss it.
Okay, all right. No, it's fine. You can continue then.
Yeah, but yeah, for now, our price is clear. We're expecting to short this pair and perhaps maybe take out this level right there, or maybe close here, somewhere here, right? So we are short. We are short.
Yeah.
So I'm about to exit this trade. I think maybe tomorrow I'll be out. Because here's the reason why I went short. Let me just show it to you. Yeah. So the reason why I went short is because I saw in the bigger time frame, right? I saw this. But okay, fine. This level here acts as a resistance level because it's broken here, right? You see here. So I am acting as a level of resistance. And when I moved to a small time frame, I saw a pattern here. I don't know if you'll see this pattern right here. That the market was doing something like this. See this level right there. It was busy bouncing in somewhere in this level right there. Do you see that?
Sure.
And it was also playing around here. Do you see that? So I realized that this market, with that confirmation in the bigger time frame, the market failed to break this level, and it was bouncing here and then here and then here. But it came here, it broke this level with this full bullish candle. So it was only clear that this is just a corrective wave. So I traded the breakout here, somewhere here, with anticipation of low prices. I won.
Spot on.
It's clear.
Spot on.
Yes, clear. So you can use it. That's how we can trade breakouts. Because you cannot just trade a breakout without confirmation. Look at how the market breaks a candle, you see. See, like this candle. It's very important.
Oh, how it breaks.
Yes, how it breaks.
And I also saw my video, Saka, you were emphasizing how the market actually breaks, like maybe support or resistance, the way it breaks.
Yes, that's a major, because you understand here the market was rejecting.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden here it breaks this level here. What does it mean? It tells that this level, like, it's gone now, it's no more. But however, to confirm this level, you don't just set this level. You wait for the market to consolidate. It's just like this. Let me just show it to you. When you go to the smaller time frame here, do you see this? Do you see this?
Yeah, a continuation pattern.
Yes. So clearly, if it closes below here, you see this closes here, this candle right there. Let me just.
Sure.
Right. So that tells you that, okay, fine, the market is ready to rally downside. As you can see, it's still going down. Simple. Even with the gold, I think gold is gold.
Yeah.
I think you saw when I posted on my WhatsApp there. Where's that pay? Let me just look at my other account. As you can see, this pay is done now. See, this is gold. Just see gold. That's where that was a confirmation for me, because this tells me that the market is breaking this level, but now it's gone. See, it's down there. So that was my target right there. You see? Yeah.
Hey, Bambi, again.
I thought.
Ngiyayithola.
Let's look at another page. Here's another page that's very interesting. There's a new development here that I'm looking to see. Let me just show it to you. Same idea. You can clearly see this market is been on the downside most of the time. It's been, making lower lows and lower highs.
Sure.
Right? So as you can see from here, the market did something like this. Here's the level that's important right there. Okay, what? Because this is a trend line, right? You know how to do trend line. Trend line, you just need 2 points to be able to show it. So here's my 2 points. Man,
yakhathi makhe anguva kahle.
Okay, sorry boy man. Nobody know man fight. Okay, sorry boy.
Oh.
Man.
It's so.
Yeah, okay, anyway, so you see. Man. Sorry boy man. So yeah, anyway.
So I'm not tired boy.
Yeah? Yeah, as you can see here.
For example, how do you I don't know if it comes with practice. Like that support, that resistance you just thrown there.
Which one? This one?
That one, the trend line. The trend line you just drew now. Like
what I can tell you is the basis of drawing a trend line, right? You just need 2 points to understand how to draw a trend line. 2 points only. The most important points are these 2 points. You see? So I understand that the market, it's been respecting this level. The market came down, bounced here, right? The market came down that level to test this level again. So it clearly tells you it's major here. You see? So this is possible.
Okay.
And also this is possible. How? Let me explain that to you, right? Number one, I understand that this level is very, very important, right?
Sure.
And then from how it stands now, I'm assuming that this is a false breakout. How am I saying that?
Okay.
Look at this candlestick right there. These 2 candlesticks.
Sure.
You see that the market broke this level, but immediately because of this bullish candle, bearish candle came through and they pushed the price low and then it closed below. That tells you something about the price, the market price. That this level is not done. This level is not done. You see. Look at this instrument. Let's take this level. It's this thing is very, very important. Without this means not in. So use this level. Look at this.
Yeah.
78.6. It's a golden. It's a very, very important level for Fibonacci. See this level and this level. It's very, very important. As you can see, it hits the 78.6. You see.
Okay. Sure.
So now, what you need to do now is look for short positions. How do you look for short position? Simple. Do it like this. Always smaller time frame. Look at the price here. What does it do? Let me just close this. Here. Now you see.
Okay.
If the market comes back to this level, okay, let me just. Now you see the price action here. Something like a wedge open. Do you see it's an open?
Like a wedge, sure.
So the market low and then it open. Now, what I'm looking for now is to see when the market comes back to this level right there, how will it react? Somewhere here.
Yeah.
I want to see how it will react the market here. You see, because clearly, according to me, this level right there, when I draw my small fib zone, my 1.8 is somewhere there. So I want to see how will the market react here. Like, that's the most important level, this level right here.
Okay, then my question is now, you see with that, one would also say maybe it's a continuation pattern. Wouldn't you expect like that after this consolidation and then maybe expect it to shoot up perhaps?
What I expect the market to do at least is maybe something like this. Come to this level, give me a rejection. What I expect, what I think will happen is come to this level, rejection, shoot down, maybe to hit this level. Then maybe you can consider going. Do you understand?
Oh, okay.
The market is still playing around here. And with the bigger time frame,
it's not done forming the pattern.
Yes. So what I think is it can do something like that. Before considering going up again, maybe perhaps look to short this level before maybe going up again, looking for higher prices. Yeah, but currently, as it stands now, as you can see, this is a false breakout according to this one. Okay, yes. So the level of interest, it's here in the trend line. I want to see how the market behave here, somewhere here, when it tests that trend line again. If the market comes back, something like this, continuation pattern, remember, something like this. That's what I want. Let's break that continuation.
GBP,
this one.
USD and JPY, the continuation pattern, we saw that it did the very same thing you're drawing now. It happened with GBP, JPY.
Yes. So we see now. What we're looking for is starting just the price to do something like that. Play around here. As soon as it closes below, we go short with our stop above here, this level here, somewhere here, with anticipation of low prices. Stop, take profit here. You see? Because this level, this is the guaranteed level that the market will likely to hit and react here. If this happens, the market come here, do something like this, and then expect this level right there. Okay, but
ngiyakuthola mfethu, ngiyakuthola.
Uyayibona mara?
Ngiyayibona mfethu, nayo yabonakala, uyayibeka, it's nice and clear.
Yeah, no, but otherwise, for now, we expect the price to at least, let's just see how the market will behave in that level, the one that I just marked, this level.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see how it behave, right? Otherwise, it can still even, go up, like that, right? But when it gets here, I want rejections candlesticks. I'm looking for candlestick that confirm that the price will hold in this level. Something engulfing pattern, engulfing candlestick is very, very important. Yes, or hammer. Or what do you call this? Shooting star and inverted hanging man. I'm looking for these candlesticks, these rejection candlesticks in that level, because clearly that level, it will be a fit zone if this level is going up. You see. So yeah, so that's how we look at the price. Otherwise, yeah, for now, this one is clear. Let's see how it behaves. Another possibility is here's this thing. This market can do something like this. Let's look at this thing. Because this level is, as much as it's important, that's what I'm saying. Let's see how will it react this level, right? The price can still trade even higher, it's possible you can trade even higher, right? But for now, that thing is not on the card. What we want to see is because of this candlestick, because of this strongness of this level, we're expecting the price to at least hit this level somewhere there. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's look. Which other pair have you been looking at?
We can this one, CAD JPY.
JPY. Let's look at. Do I have CAD JPY? CAD JPY. CAD. Okay.
GBP USD is doing nice things. It's falling.
Yeah. Okay. That's why we spoke about it yesterday. Do you remember?
Yeah.
So okay. Here's the situation with CAD, right? Number one, CAD has reached a major level, as you can see right there, right?
Sure.
And CAD has broken this level right there.
Sure.
I currently believe that CAD is it's consolidating. It's just a pullback of the actual continuation, because looking at this level, I can see now that cat has broken this level right here, right? This major level right there, as you can see right there, it's broken, right? Now this level, this what I'm looking at now, this I believe that this is just a consolidation, it's just a pullback, right? Ideally, the market will do something like this. Everyone.
Oh, okay.
That's what I see. But now let's get more candles to see how will the price go about in this bigger time frame. In this bigger time frame, because as you can see, cat is playing now. I can say in the support because this level has been broken. This is the more significant level that's been broken. Right? You see.
Okay.
You see here. You see here.
Okay, can you explain again why are you saying that it is actually broke? That where the current price is? Why are you saying it has actually been broken now?
Okay, do you remember support and resistance?
Yeah.
The principle says that whenever a market gets to a level, it reacts, right? Let's look at this level right there.
Sure.
As much as this level is not significant to some, but to us it is, because when you look at the price here, it came here, right? It reacted.
Yeah.
You see, it broke the level. It reacted here again, and then it fell.
Oh, okay.
That's one. Do you see that?
Sure.
And then it came up. It failed to break. It reacted. That's two. Do you see? If I have two, it shows me the significance of this level here. If the price came up, came down, and then it reacted here, it moved up.
Sure.
You see, it shows me the significance of this level right here.
Sure.
Right. And now, as you can clearly see, like I said, when I draw this line, you can clearly see the price currently is above that level. It tells me that the price has broken that level.
Okay. Okay, yeah, the close of the daily candlestick. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because these candlesticks broke that level, right? And you can see the market here. Okay, let's look at this candlestick right here. Let's zoom in. Let's look at the candlestick right there. Do you see now? You can clearly see now.
Yeah.
The market broke this level right there, and then it tried to push the price lower, but buyers came in, right? Push the price even.
Okay.
And spot, that's why we have wicks here, rejection. You can clearly see that. Do you see that?
So wouldn't you say, you see the green one, wouldn't you say it's a bearish engulfing?
No, it's not. Okay, let's look at on what context. When you look at it like this, yes, you can say it engulfs that price, right? But let's look at the range, the follow up. Remember, engulfing pattern has to be confirmed first before you can say I'm going to use engulfing pattern. When you see this pattern, right, you need a confirmation, right? How do you confirm that the bearish momentum still? When you get a bearish candle after this engulfing pattern, that's a confirmation.
Oh.
But looking at this, you can clearly see it says otherwise. You see that?
Yeah, you got a bullish one.
Okay. You got a bullish candle. So it shows you the significance of this level, that this level has been broken. But however, how do you trade this pair?
Also, after we even see the an engulfing pattern, it's better to wait for
for bearish momentum to confirm it. Because seeing engulfing engulfing pattern just gives you an idea that okay, fine, the price is about to reverse, but it's not significant to tell you that okay, fine, now I must enter a trade. Engulfing doesn't mean that you must enter a trade. You must have a confirmation. You know, especially in a small time frame to see okay, fine, the price is about to go up or go down. But with this currently, as you can see, this rejection right there, you can clearly see this. Lower prices were affected here. You see.
Sure.
Yeah, and when you go to a small time frame, let's go to a small time frame, and as I was mentioning, we can clearly see now that the price here playing somewhere here. Let's look at it. It's playing around here. See this here, and then also here, right? So yeah, so you can clearly see that the price may still even go maybe before like this, or the price may break this level. If the market break, let me just show you something. If the market breaks this level right there, then I'll personally be considering to go long, because the pattern will be complete and this difference here, because this is a supply level, you see, that's where bulls, bears are likely to come in.
Sure.
You see that? That's the supply level. This is level.
Okay.
It's very, very important. So if the price comes up, break this level, and then give me a bit of rejection here, and then close above, and then let's say we want to take it high, right? As it stands now, the bias for this pair is bullish. At all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because looking at this, you can price down and then close above. Still, we are bullish. Unless otherwise. But for now, let's wait and see how will the market react in this level. Here. You see?
Okay.
Let's wait and see how will the price react. As soon as the market closes above and then give us a bit of rejection, we can happily, go long.
Sure.
Now we have this. We have this. This is what we have. You see? Yes. Right all.
No, ngiyathola mfowethu, ngiyathola uyayibeka.
Of course, target for this one, should this thing that we analyzed go accordingly, our target should be somewhere here. Okay, just somewhere here.
Okay.
Because it's better to take that over, because remember, the market can react here in this area right there, just somewhere here.
Yeah.
That's where our supply level is, and a level for sellers to come in. There.
Sure.
Yes. Right on. So this is possible only if this level that you spoke about is broken, and then you get confirmation. Don't worry, we will discuss it, and then perhaps maybe when something happens, then I'll be monitoring. I'll be looking at the pair. We'll also be looking at the pair, and then once that thing happens, then you can all go long and and try and salvage and profit.
Okay, I know.
Yeah. But otherwise, it's also still possible that the price can still, go short, go long, because like I said, this level is significant. This level. It's very, very important. Right? So if the market closes, above, below, somewhere here, let's say close somewhere here, and then this fails close below here, with the full bearish trend, then we can consider going short. But for now, as it stands, we're looking to go long. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's wait and see. Which other pair can you look
at? Which one? KKHF. Let's go to GBP Swiss franc.
GBP chef.
Yeah, GBP chef.
Okay, this one. Let's look at the price action. This one here. Okay. This pair is still moving on the downside, as you can see. The momentum is in the downside. But let's see what happened here. Oh, okay. Okay. The market has reached a level that's major also as well. Here, somewhere here. Do you see that? Yeah.
Sure.
Just around here. Same thing happened with this one. The market closed below, and then it gave us engulfing pattern. You see?
Sure.
There it is. Here's engulfing pattern, because the market closed above. As soon as it closes above, sellers came in and pushed the price even low. Now the question is this a retest of that level or a false breakout? That's the question you're supposed to be asking now. Let's try and confirm again. Let's look at let's look at the bigger picture of the price action. Okay, clearly I can see that this level is major right there. Somewhere here. Okay,
Sure,
this level is significant here, because every time the market reacted here, and then also here, and then also here, and then also here, and also here. Now the question is, will the market break this level, or go this side, or come this side? So what I want to, let's just wait and see how will the market react somewhere here. Okay. Yeah, let's wait and see on how the market reacts here. As it stands, we want to see how the market reacts here, because when we use our Fibonacci, this is our high, this is our low. It's 50%. So let's wait and see how will it react in that 60%. You see.
Okay, and then another thing.
Yeah.
Why can't you draw your trend line from, like, using the, what do you call this, the lower highs? like of the trend to see if maybe like if you can draw your trend line
Yes.
from the top to see what,
You
because
mean
that's how.
you mean something like this?
Yeah. Sure.
Something like this.
Okay.
You mean like this, right? Because
Yeah.
to draw a trend line, you only need 2 points, right?
Sure.
To draw a trend line, you only need 2 points, right? As it stands, you can see
Sure.
the trend line has been broken. It's just being retested, right? So
Sure.
who knows? Maybe something like this can happen. The market push high, reject here, come back to test this level, and then shoot high. You see?
Yeah, because another thing, if you can check, I see like head and shoulders.
Oh
That
yeah,
is skew. The weird head and shoulders as well.
yes. Here, I can see also.
Yeah, to see.
Yeah,
Yeah.
which also show the significance of that level. Henceforth, that's what I'm saying. Let's just wait and see how will the market react here. Because for me, as you can see, the market was busy reacting here. So let's see how will the market react here. Yeah. Let's see. If it comes here and then holds and then come back and retest here, perhaps maybe we can buy somewhere here when it breaks that high here.
Oh, so we'll consider a buy once it breaks
yes.
that. Okay.
Because remember, if it's a head and shoulder, then the market come back and retest it. Okay, as you can see, the market has broken this level,
sure,
according to this. But the question is, if the false breakout or true breakout, we'll need a few more candles to confirm that. Right? As it stands, the market, it seems like it is broken here, but that's not significant enough because the overall trend is in the downside. And we're only looking to go with the trend. Henceforth, a region that's more comforting is this region right here, because here you can clearly see
that one,
everything you can clearly see. That's better here, right? So let's wait and see how will the market react here. If the market hits this level and then come back and close somewhere here, clearly tells us something that the price is really still trading low, because this is what I see, something like this. Okay, so maybe
a continuation pattern.
Yes. So let's wait and see. For now, I can't tell you, we can't take a trade here, but as it stands now, let's see and see how the market react, in that level here. As we spotted, this level is significant because it's been broken. You see here, it's been broken. So now we need to retest it and trade even lower.
Retest.
Yes. Because let's look at the bigger time frame. Let's look at the bigger time frame and see how is the price action right there. Okay. Let's look at the bigger time frame and see. Now, in the bigger time frame, this level right here, as much as you can see, it's been tested numerous times. Somewhere here. Yeah. So this level is significant. So the market has broken that level, you see, with the full bearish candle. So let's see how the market reacts here, right? In basis of what you just wrote before, right? So
and another thing, if maybe you can, from the you see the lowest point there.
Which one?
The down.
This one. Or this one.
Move to your left and then join like a trend line there.
Or something like this.
Start from that lowest point. You see on the left side, the wick, there, just there.
And then
drawing a trend line going up like that.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let me just lay everything.
Okay.
Man. Ish. Man. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's the end of it. Oh. Okay, like this, right?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's been broken as well. It's been broken. Yeah, Ibon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, it's been broken. So, but however, do you see this momentum here? Do you see this candle right there? It's very, very powerful. You see how bullish that candle is, right?
And it's on weekly.
Yeah, it's on weekly. So let's wait and see and get few more candles, that basis of what we did and see and get the direction. Otherwise, for now, I can't, the direction is bearish, but there's no opportunity in this one. There's no opportunity in this one. Unless, we'll keep on monitoring it and see how it goes about, right? We'll keep on monitoring.
How it turns out, yeah.
But let me just show this pair. This one, USD chair. Do you see this one?
Sure.
Yeah, you see this one. It's also clear. This one, according to this, you can see the price. It's been playing around here and then there and then there and then there. Currently, I just want to pull back to get a certain opportunity to get a few pips on the upside, and then perhaps maybe it will just continue on the downside. A1.
Sure.
Yeah, but otherwise, yeah. Yeah, wait for it.
No,
yeah. No, as long as
it's quite clear. We analyze the price action.
Yeah. Nice. You need to practice, man. You need to practice and was about great, because we spend numerous hours and hours in this thing and trying to to get what's happening. So now
sure.
And that you can open an account $1. So you don't need to have a lot of money. Let's say you have $5, you can open a cent account and also trade, because if you open a $5 account, then it means you'll be having 500 cents, right? That 500 cents you can treat as the same as the $500 account. You see, trade using 0.1 so you can still exercise your skill, but with cent. So you grow steadily and get the skill steadily, and to be mad.
No, I'll do that.
Yeah, because I think FPS does offer account cent. I don't know about what Forex and other brokers, but I know FPS does offer.
FPS, yeah, I think hot Forex even 80 rand from 80 rand upwards.
Yes. So you can open an account using cents and then deposit small money and then trade, man. Trade, improve the skill.
Sure.
It's about the skill, improve the skill and you'll be right. Yeah.
So, because you see, one thing I've noticed ever since demo, there are a lot of different things, a lot.
Yes.
But as much as the patterns are fun, but some of the things they are very different.
Yeah, and one thing about the demo is that it's not really realistic. Like it's especially if you have that demo that's there in MT4, that comes with 500 US dollars. That demo, man, it's not realistic.
Yeah, 5 million.
So it's not realistic. So rather open an account using FPS. You can also open an account using FPS and then deposit, like put maybe $5 in a demo account. Possible, right? And then you can trade using $5. Put it as cent and then practice. Because for FPS, if you open an account using FPS, it's more like realistic because it's it's less nothing. It's more involved in the financial market compared to that 5 million account. That one.
Okay.
But otherwise, trade. Let me just buy because I'm complaining about it.
No, I'm for it. Nage for it.
Yeah, I know. Nugget practice, kill this thing, man, and we'll be right. Otherwise, we'll just keep on doing maybe more meetings. Just let me know whenever you want.
Yeah, most definitely. In fact, no, thanks. This has been beneficial a lot.
Yeah, okay. I know. I'm gonna push our things in.
All right, thank you for it.
Okay, sharp.